Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guide 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Adam at Auto World, we have the 1993 Nissan R33. This is a GTST. So, that's loud. So here's what I have the mod list. So it's a brand new OEM white paint job. It was repainted last year. New ISC Coilovers, new Tomei titanium exhaust, upgraded fuel pump, HALTEC Elite 2000 ECU, Spectrum Motorsports SM450R Turbo, 1340cc injectors, AEM boosted AFR gauges, all new turbo lines, LS alternator conversion, and a high cast delete. So that's that. Yes. Now, I will be honest with you guys. It has been 2 years or so since the last time I drove right-hand drive. A little rusty with it, but figuring it out as we go. And also, this clutch is an absolute light switch. So I've already stalled it once. I might do it again. Oh, it's just such a fun car. You have less than a millimeter of play in that clutch. I love GTR noises from GTST. That was wheel spin. Holy cow. So weird driving this route from the other side of the car. Now, I know this is something I could get used to, but driving this thing is an absolute handful. It's like, okay, don't stall with this clutch. Don't miss fourth. Remember, turn signals are on this hand. And don't get pulled over. There's a lot of things to remember in this car. Thing is just next level fun. I mean, when I talk about analog driving experiences, this thing is a monster. Do I try backing this in? Oh, what's the worst that can happen? Well, actually, I did a lot better than I thought. Haha! Maybe I am learning. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.